In 2018, while traveling through the great state of Texas, I made history. Just not in a particularly good way. After an hour or so of riding and sans any coffee or breakfast, now my need to prepare the excuse will become painfully obvious, I made what can only be thought of as, well, best just get it out. The worst Texan accent in the history of ever. I mean, it's really, really bad. You have been warned.
Seen each other or touched base in probably like 6 years now. It's been a long time. Anyway. Hey, fella. Are you okay? Oh, I hope he's alright. I mean, chances are he's just a local pup. But I hope he gets home. Oh, there's some more puppies there. I don't know where that puppy's from. Alright. No sense in dwelling on that. What can you do? He's a handsome looking pup, though. Okay. So road trip wise, today shouldn't be nearly as bad. Like I said, it's estimating much lower. The roads aren't going to be as straight and long as they were yesterday, which really is what does the most wear on the bike, at least currently. And that's where most of the wear has been on the tire, which is why getting into the curved roads, hopefully for the next little bit, is going to help. I know once I get to South Carolina again, I'm pretty much fucked. And I'm hoping, like, I can't really, you know, unless something happens and I'm forced to change the tire sooner, I don't really have another break in the trip until I get to South Carolina. Then I have like a day or two that I can play around with. Well, that I'll have to play around with to get the tire done. But it also means I really need to call ahead. Today's Thursday, so today at some point I truly need to give that place a call and ensure that they can stock, that they do stock, or that they can order in the tires that I need. So yeah. And then the question becomes, I just had my blinker on forever. Do I replace the front as well? I mean, the front's arrived now 2 tires. Technically, what I want to do is replace it. That's my intention. So that's what I'm going to do, unless I'm in a situation where money or time to get the tire in becomes detrimental. So much weight is on the back of this, and so much is lifted off the front of this bike currently. Like, except even when I sit forward, like, it's not putting that much weight forward. That's traditionally the reason why you don't need to replace the front as often, is because they just don't wear out as fast. The catch is you really want the same tread pattern. You want wheels that work together. And I'm not positive that I'll get the tire that I've been using. There's no guarantee there. Which means, again, I'm probably going to need to replace front and back together. And if it's going into a shop to be done, I might as well do them together, because it's going to be cheaper paying for labor once than twice. It is. It might not be that much cheaper, but if they got to pull the bike in 2 different places, or the same place 2 different times, pull the bike in, then they're gonna charge more in the long run. So I don't want to do that. Okay. I haven't eaten or had coffee or anything this morning. I definitely want to do that. Post show. And I'm kind of hoping that I'm going to be back on some curved road soon, but it looks like I'm going in for a straight stretch until I get to there. So, oh well. Hopefully there's a place to get gas and coffee soon. Oh, wow. Wow, that was a whole fucking... Ha! That was cool. A tree full of vultures. I was kind of hoping they would fly off when I honked, but no luck. No joy, no joy. I think Chelsea might like that. It's just kind of cool. Alright, Sheriff Patrol. See, speed limit in this state is 75 miles an hour. Texas just like, you know, outdoes everybody else by a little bit. Well, you guys drive 70 miles an hour in your state? Well, shit, we drive 75. It's like that's the limit of what I'm really comfortable pushing this bike to do. Again, because of the chain and because of the tire. So now I'm in this weird predicament where I'm driving through Texas, wearing shit out faster than I want to just to keep up with the prevalent speed of cars on the road. So I try and hover just under 75. If people want to pass me, that's fine. I'm not too concerned about